Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good afternoon. Guys, I'm not feeling good. Kasi meron tayo. Pero that doesn't mean to stop me cleaning the house. Naglilinis lang ako guys. Hindi pa ako tapos nag-vacuum. Yeah, so wala tayong asawa. So tayo lang mag-isa. Kakain mag-isa, maglinis mag-isa. Nag-vacuum ako sa master bedroom pero hindi pa tapos. And yep, I'm not feeling good. May nagtatanong about bakit hindi kami nakwento ko na to or nasabi ko na to, na-explain ko na to sa mga previous vlog ko. Pero may nagtatanong pa rin bakit hindi. Kasi you know, may mga viewers tayo bago. Bakit hindi kami ni Tami magkasama palagi. So I will explain that later on. Pero for now, ako lang mag-isa. Trabaho yung asawa ko. Ang kakain tayong mag-isa. Tapos na akong nag-lunch. Pasensya na guys. Pasensya na mga love sa look natin. Kasi maginaw, masakit yung puson. Meron, ayaw ko na maging babae. Ayaw ko na talaga. Ang hirap. Mag-isa ka pa. Wala kang asawa. Biniyaan ka. Anyway guys. So, I will be in the bathroom. And of course, I'm not gonna bring you with me. So, you're going to stay here in the bed. And good night guys. I don't know when I'm going to collect my leaves on our yard. Kasi I think I'm going to collect it when everything is down. And then the last part na anuhin ko, I think December siya guys. Last ako mag-collect December, yung sa backyard na may kung saan yung aso. Diba may dalawang kahoy. So yun siya. I think yun yung last na ano ko. So, nag-ano lang yung ano ko sa taas, nagda-download o nag-upload ng vlog. And then, also sa Facebook, nag-download, nag-upload ng video sa Facebook din. So, yun lang guys. And then, andito si Bianan, sa akin weekend. Sabi pa daw nila, kukunin ko lang daw siya sa dialysis Saturday. So, let's see. Let's see kung anong mga kaganapan. Hey! Tapos na akong nag-half bath. Hindi ko lang binasa yung buhok ko, guys. Kasi maganda pala yung temperature ngayon sa labas. Kapag meron talaga, I don't know guys kung ganun din kayo. Kapag meron tayong dugo, period. Yung katawan, ang temperature ng katawan ko is parang na-feel ko na mainit. Mainit, maginaw. Yun yung feeling ko, guys. Parang nag-menopause ba? Yun yung menopausal na ano, 'di ba? Yung feeling daw nila ng mag-menopause, mainit yung katawan, maginaw yung katawan, ganun daw. Nag-glasses ako kasi lately, sumasakit yung mata ko dahil hindi ako susuot-suot nito habang nasa laptop. So yun, kaya glasses tayo. And ito na naman tayo. Ito yung gamitin ko. Huy, come down here. Come on, Bang! Bang! Come down here. Get down, Misty. Okay, you're the one. You stay there. Are you going to stay there? Uloy, uloy. You're going to stay over there. You're so special, oy. Alam nyo, kagabi guys ba, basta na naginip ako kagabi. Iwan ko, hindi ko naman siya iniisip. Hindi ko alam kung sino ito. Pero isa siyang puti. Baka yung lalaki, 'di ba yung sabi ko, yung ex ko, yung nagdala sa akin dito. So, yan, napanaginipan ko. Pero hindi ko talaga maano yung dream ko, kung ano talaga siya. Pero there's something happened to him. And parang, after that, nagising ako. And then, sa isip ko, ano kaya nangyari sa kanya? Parang, there's something happened to him na hindi ko alam. Baka panaginip lang siya. At hindi, sabi pa nila, kapag pinapanaginipan mo raw, iniisip mo. At hindi ko naman siya iniisip. As in, hindi talaga. So, na-shock ako this morning, yung pagising ko na, ba't na panaginipan ko? At saka parang there's something happened to him na parang may nangyari sa kanyang masama. Iwan ko kung anong nangyari sa kanya. Hindi ko alam. Anyway, so you know, hotdog. So, ito yung request ni Tami Moy. Yung Tami Moy natin. Natin talaga. Atin talaga si Tami Moy, guys. Huwag na natin ibigay sa iba. Atin si Tami Moy. Pero, ako lang dapat hawak. Huwag na kayong hawak. Baka mahawakan ko pa yung leg nyo. Joke lang. Alam ko naman, hindi kayo ganun. Joke lang yan, guys. Oy, huwag kayong maniwala sa mga kaloko-lokohan ko. So, talaga, guys, masakit yung puso ko, guys. After talaga magbasa ako, guys. Kapag meron talaga ako, guys, kapag magbasa yung katawan ko, binasa ko, maghugas ako, ganun-ganon. Yung puson ko is atake talaga. Instead of, kahit, imbis wala na yung sakit, bumalik. Kasi naghugas. Kasi ang baho ko na kasi. Na nyo, guys, yung kapag meron kayo, kapag hindi kayo maghugas, ang baho, guys, ang baho talaga. Hindi ka talaga maiwasan yung baho na yan. Binuboil ko ito siya, guys, kasi I need to boil it. And then, I cut it like parang slice ko siya sa gitna. And then, ipa-fry ko lang siya sa butter. Yun, iba-brown, kasi yun yung gusto ni Tami Moy natin. Yun yung gusto niya. So, parang parang masarapan siya, masarapan. Ay, naman yan, yung hindi masarap. Gusto niyo masarap. Nag-stop na naman siya sa store bago pumunta dito. She's Danish, oh. Saka, this looks good. I don't know kung anong pangalan ito. Bumili siya ng bread, chicken, para niyan, dalhin yan sa trabaho niya. And, bumili din siya ng corn. Ito yung kainin namin vegetables. Ito siya kainin namin. Lutuin ko lang to and then i-grill ito. Anyway, nanonood lang kami ng Dr. Phil, guys. Yan. What are you doing? Meron pala akong labahan din ay. Nako, laba-laba. Hi guys. So guys, we are just like watching Dr. Phil. And now it's finished. Yeah, so it's cold, right? That's why he's wearing this.
Yeah, I'm not feeling good. I'm not really cold. I'm just not feeling good.
Not feeling good. So you know that my ex, right? Hey.
Yeah.
You know him, right? I mean, you know who he is.
I do.
What if one day we're like, I saw him somewhere. Huy! That's you. Huy! Like that. And then we said hi to each other. Is that okay with you?
Fine, mate.
I mean, it's not because of him we are here together. I mean, because really it's why I'm here in the US, right? I just put that in that way.
Oh, you can put it any way you want, hon. That has nothing to do with anything. It's fine with me. It has nothing to do with you, how you want to twist it up.
What do you mean twist it up? What kind of twist it up?
Hon, if somebody was jealous about it, they'd be jealous about it. I don't care what you say. Well, I would have never met you. That won't make a difference on it.
I don't get it. I don't know. That's not what I'm saying. What we're talking about? What are we talking about?
You said if I saw him, could I say hello to him and talk to him? Yes, that's fine.
You're jealous.
Why am I jealous?
Okay, so you're not. But
No,
you know,
that's your thing.
Oh yeah, of course. I'm not denying that.
It's fine with me, huh?
You know, accidentally. Not like you planning.
Like I
Meeting your
planned?
ex.
Okay, I planned meeting my ex. Okay.
No, I'm with accidentally. You know, who knows? World is very small. Because, you know, I was thinking, like, my God, it's like, I don't meet my husband. I don't have this guy if I'm not here in the US because I know for sure he's not going to Philippines.
That's true. That would be...
He's not looking for a Asian, Filipina, anything. Like, right, huh?
Right.
You told me that.
Right.
So I was also thankful, even though he is a cheater, that guy, I'm also very thankful that he brought me here. He taught me. I told you, because I was cold. So I want to say, I wanna like, hey, thank you for bringing me here in the United States. Look, I meet this guy.
Then you should smack him for that.
Because if you don't bring me here honestly and then have that experience with you, like heartache and everything, but look, I found the right one. Even though this one is still a heartache, it's not a heartache, a headache.
Headache.
A headache, a really bad headache.
Yeah, I have a really bad headache all the time. Thank you for that.
And we love you. And
Yeah,
I love
love.
you.
Even you're the carrier of bad headaches.
You know what, honey? You
What?
have that headache since you were a baby. And now it's my fault.
That's true.
And now it's my freaking fault
Oh, we yelled at me.
because you went to the grocery
I
without
went to the
telling
grocery
me.
without telling you I went to go to the grocery.
Because I want him, guys, to get some freaking vegetables, and I don't mention it anything.
And
And
she should have mentioned it, right, guys?
No,
if
because-
she wanted me to pick up vegetables, she should have said, "Oh, by the way, can you stop picking up vegetables on the way here?"
because I'm afraid also if he's going to the grocery because he end up spending too much crazy money, and that's what I'm worried. And every time you go to the
That's not crazy
grocery,
money.
usually or no, you don't really usually, but I don't like when you go there because you go crazy spending. And if you go somewhere, you should let me know. Oh, hon, I'm here. Or do you need something? You should
I
say that.
asked you if you need me to bring something when I was at the house. You said no.
Because you're
That's
at the
enough.
because you're at the
It
house.
makes no difference.
And I told you before.
But I
I'm
asked you
not going-
before I leave, do you need me to bring something?
And I told you that I'm not going out
said
because
no.
I'm not feeling good. I'm in pain because of my thing.
Because, oh, you know, I need milk, I need vegetables, we could have said that. More creamer to eat out of?
There's still creamer.
No, very little left.
There is a one big one.
Oh.
Did you use the other one?
Why would I use the other one?
I got the other one.
I
You
don't
the
remember
other
seeing
one?
the second one in there.
No? Okay. So anyway, guys. So somebody also, guys, asking why your husband is not staying with you, why he always left you, why la 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 la. I explained this before, and again, I will explain it again because we have a new viewers.
Okay, here's to the new viewers. Finish your conversation.
Okay, so he is not with me because he has another wife. He has another family
See, you
over
tell
there.
people that like and that's the truth. But you say it that way, and people say, "Wow, you can't trust a word that comes out of this girl's mouth."
I'm just joking.
really
I didn't
not
know.
good.
I didn't know that I'm just joking. Okay, that was a lie.
Well, you just say it. Don't say it. And that's the truth.
Ay, nanay. Give me a kiss, babe.
You're like, and that's the truth. What kind of stupidity?
Okay, guys, he is not, and yeah, he's not here with me. First, we get this house. We should move in here. Mom was in the other house, which is her house, and then Sammy is over there to be with mom, coming back from work, going back and forth, and now, and it's also closer from his work to the city. And mom that is not over there, we should move in
We
here.
didn't get all the stuff out of the house. It has to be emptied out and it has to be put on the market to sell. In the meantime, it has to be taken care of. Easy?
Yeah.
Okay.